Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Good, good, good. This is our second or third interview.
Sir, this is third. This is our third interview.
This is our third interview. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll be repeating some questions, but try
Yes, sir.
to manage them nicely.
Yes, sir.
What all you know about, say, General Insurance Corporation of India, RE?
The General Insurance Corporation of India is a reinsurance company, and it was established under the General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972, and it had four subsidiaries: um, NICL, NIACL, OICL, and UIICL. And then after the inception of
Regarding
IR.
subsidiaries, are there four? Are you sure?
So there were four subsidiaries. Then after the powers of GIC got dissolved, then it became a reinsurance company in 2002.
Oh, you're talking about
And
the past. Oh,
yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm talking about the history.
अभी का पोजीशन बताइए. अभी क्या है?
Abhi,
अभी
sir,
का
it has.
पोजीशन बोलने से हो जाएगा straight away because we have very little time in the real interviews. हमारा नहीं,
Okay, sir.
उधर. So इसलिए
Okay,
आपने
sir.
क्या करना? GIC, what is the type of company? Who owns it? Where is the headquarters? Who is the chairman? What is the subsidiary? Like that. Now try
Okay, sir.
again. Yeah.
So GIC is a reinsurance company which is headed by Mr. Devesh Srivastav,
Hmm.
and it has overseas offices and license offices in Chennai,
Hmm.
Gift City,
Hmm.
Gandhinagar, and Delhi. And it has overseas offices in Moscow, London,
Hmm.
and Johannesburg, South Africa.
Hmm. Good. Um, that's nice. Now it is come. Who is the authority that is controlling GIC?
Sir, there is no such authority, but it is regulated by IRDAI.
Oh, 1 minute. Hello, Ganesh, சொல்லுப்பா. இல்ல இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஆயின்மெண்ட்ல நான் போட மறந்துட்டேன் போல இருக்கு. அப்புறம் போடு. ஆயின்மெண்ட் நான் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துட்டு தான் சொல்லணும். அப்ப ஒரு மீட்டிங்ல இருக்கேன். இல்ல இல்ல வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம். நீ முதல்ல இது பண்ணு அப்புறம் பார்ப்போம். ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம். தேங்க்யூ. Yeah. Where are we now?
So I just gave an answer about GIC.
Yeah, GIC. GIC, we were telling about that, and then you told about subsidiary. Yeah. Now, what is your degree?
So my degree is BCom honors.
BCom.
Honors, yes, sir.
अरे बाबा तब तो आपको जरूर पता होना है. What is the share capital of our GIC?
Share capital. Sir, I have not read about. Sir, I am not. I have read about the business in domestic, international.
अभी देखा नहीं.
About.
इसमें तो GIC of India.com financials balance sheet 2020-21 में दिया है. 2020-21 में दिया है. Thousands. It is in thousands. 1, 2, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 லட்சம். 8,77,000. I'm sorry. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 லட்சம். 87 lakhs 72,000.
Okay. Okay.
Please note it. 8772
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. Can I be my notebook
Please
and pen?
take a piece
Just
of paper and write. Not
yes,
that it
1
is
minute.
something secret. फिर भी
1 minute. So 8 lakh,
yeah, no, 87 lakhs
87 lakh,
72,000.
72,000.
Again thousands. इसका बाद में 3 ciphers you have to add.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Baap re baap. And reserves and surplus. 1 minute, I'm coming.
Yes, yes.
Suddenly coughing.
No issues, sir.
Yeah.
87 lakh 70,000 and 1,000.
87 lakh 72,000.
Okay, sir. It is basically 8 billion 772
I am
million.
giving the link up in Telegram. Please,
Okay, sir.
please take it.
Okay, sir.
इसको देख लीजिए.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Please read out the important points from there. Read loudly.
Sir, share capital for this year is 8 billion 772 million, and reserves and 1
It's a
minute.
very huge figure. That's a very huge figure.
Yes, sir. That's a very huge figure, sir.
I don't know how
And
to count it. I don't know how to count it. Now
sir,
shareholders fund नीचे में दिया है.
okay. Shareholders fund, policy holders fund. Okay.
Please read it. Read it. Read loudly what it is.
Sir, it is wait.
Now you at least read the headings. Amount याद नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं. What are the weight? They can ask you.
Yes.
What
Share
are the
capital.
components of a balance sheet of our GIC? Because
Yes,
you
yes.
are a commerce student.
Okay, yes, sir. Share capital, reserves and surplus, borrowings, deferred tax liability, fair value change account, shareholders fund, policy holders fund. Then in the section of application of funds, it is investments, shareholders, investments, policy holders, loans, fixed assets, deferred tax assets, current assets, cash and bank balances, advances and other assets. Then the total of asset side, then liabilities side, then current liabilities, provisions, then net current assets, miscellaneous expenditure, then total of the liability side, then contingent liabilities.
Good. Have you heard what is contingent liability?
Sir, contingent liabilities, I forgot.
पढ़ा नहीं, भूल गया.
Yes, sir.
I know you may not remember it because even a lot of people, because it doesn't, one cannot tell it correctly. A contingent liability is a liability that may occur depending on the outcome of an uncertain future event. A contingent liability is recorded if the contingency is likely and the amount of liability can be reasonably estimated. I am giving the link in our Telegram page. Please click that. Please go to that page.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A contingent liability is a liability that may occur depending on the outcome of an
Hmm.
uncertain future event.
Hmm.
A contingent liability is recorded if the contingency is likely and the amount of the liability can be reasonably estimated. The liability may be disclosed in a footnote on the financial statement unless both conditions are not met.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, is GIC a profit-making company or loss-making company? That
So,
you can see. That you can see
that
from this link. Another link I'm giving.
yes, sir, I saw that already. It incurred loss this financial year.
It's a loss, no?
Yes, it's loss in this financial year.
No, but इस बार profit हुआ ना क्या? What
इस
is
बार
what is the position now? Now is it making profit or loss?
One minute, sir.
यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं इसमें करंट ईयर में प्रॉफिट दिया है जी. करंट ईयर में
ये
प्रॉफिट
मैं प्रॉफिट दिया है. लास्ट ईयर इट वाज
करंट ईयर में प्रॉफिट दिया है, लास्ट ईयर में लॉस दिया है. ये
Yes,
सब का
yes,
बारे
yes.
में आप थोड़ा देखना है जी.
जी जी जी.
ये प्रॉफिट और लॉस अकाउंट का अंदर जाओ क्या क्या कॉलम आता है पढ़ लो, क्योंकि ब्रॉडली दे कैन हैव क्वेश्चंस लाइक व्हाट इज द बैलेंस शीट, हैव यू गॉन थ्रू द बैलेंस शीट ऑफ आवर कंपनी, हैव यू
Okay.
सीन व्हाट आर द कॉलम्स अवेलेबल इन अ बैलेंस शीट, ऐसा हम
Okay,
अभी
sir.
पूछ सकते हैं. सो इसीलिए आप ये पढ़ने से आपको थोड़ा समझ जाएंगे. पढ़ लीजिए, प्लीज रीड इट. आई ऑल्सो गेट टू नो व्हाट इट इज. प्लीज रीड.
So the profit and loss statement.
Yeah, statement पूरा पढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
Because most of us, having studied BCom about 3 years back, we have
Yes, sir.
forgotten the various columns of this. एक बार
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पढ़ो जी.
Yes, sir. Operating profit and loss, fire insurance, marine insurance, miscellaneous insurance.
Marine insurance में क्या हुआ? Profit हुआ, loss हुआ?
Sir, loss हुआ है. This year it is loss.
Good. Next, miscellaneous insurance.
Miscellaneous insurance, then life insurance.
अरे, I think they have life insurance also. They are reinsuring. Great. ये तो पहला बार सुन रहे हैं हम.
मैं भी
हमने सोचा reinsurance का मतलब ये होगा like when they take insurance of big companies like Air India, then railways, or say big companies like Reliance, उधर में आएगा सोचा. लेकिन even life insurance का अंदर में भी आपको reinsurance चलता है. and इसमें लॉस हो गया.
इसमें लॉस है this year.
भाई, then go to the next column.
Income from investments, interest, dividend, rent, gross, profit on sale of investments, less loss of sale of investments. Then other income, in forex, gain, loss, then profit on sale of assets, net, sundry balances written back, net, interest on income, tax refund, provision, doubtful debts written back, motor pool service charges, miscellaneous receipts. This concludes the
total
total. And
other
provision
income
for provision for doubtful loans and investments, provision written off for doubtful debts.
अरे बाबा, see, I don't know. This is not a banking company, but why there is need for their writing off for doubtful debts? It's a very serious question, and the amount is not small. That 3,68,300. Sorry, 36,83,288. And again thousands. इतना thousand. पता नहीं कैसे में भी होता है. Please check up somewhere. What are the investments they make? Why there is?
I checked. There was nothing written on Google. I couldn't find anything on Google about their investments.
Hmm. Here you see why should they write off about doubtful debt? What are the loans they have given?
Yes, yes.
Very doubt. This is a very good.
And
No, I am asking tough question only, but I'm just giving
yes,
you food for thought.
and
थोड़ा
yes,
think कर
yes,
दीजिए. हाँ.
yes, sir.
Then diminution in the value of investments written off.
Written off
Hey Baba. Then expenses.
amortization of
Yeah. Hmm.
amortization of premium on investments,
Hmm.
other expenses related to investments,
Hmm.
forex,
Hmm.
loss gain,
Hmm.
profit loss on sale of assets,
Hmm.
sundry balances written off,
Hmm.
interest and others,
Hmm.
corporate social responsibility expenses,
Now
5 lakh.
listen.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
am
sir.
really surprised. Why should a company that is incurring loss be forced to spend this much rupees? Thousands इधर पर लिखा है. 5,44,000 thousands.
And yes, sir, and corporate social responsibility.
I don't know why they are forced to do it and what are the activities in which they are doing it. That is also not known.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Good.
Then total profit loss before tax,
Mm,
provision for taxation,
mm,
current tax,
mm,
wealth tax,
mm,
MAT credit, deferred tax,
mm,
fringe benefit tax,
mm,
provision for tax in respect of earlier years,
mm,
MAT credit for earlier year,
mm,
profit loss after tax.
mm. इस बार प्रॉफिट
Then
दिया है.
this was profit there. Then
Appropriations.
appropriation
Mm,
balance brought forward from last year,
mm,
interim dividend,
mm,
final dividend,
mm,
dividend distribution tax, transfer to general reserve,
mm,
balance carried forward to balance sheet.
mm.
Then basic and diluted EPS,
EPS means what?
earning per share.
What is diluted EPS?
So I don't know,
I also don't know.
sir.
Diluted EPS formula. Mm, mm.
So what is the difference between balance sheet and consolidated balance sheet?
Consolidated balance sheet is that which gives you briefly.
Briefly, okay.
A regular balance sheet देखने से तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 आएगा.
अच्छा,
इसमें देने के समय पर 1 to 4 क्लब करके एक, 5 to 7 क्लब करके एक, ऐसे में भी देगा.
okay,
अच्छा, अभी एक लिंक दे रहा हूँ आपको.
जी.
What is EPS diluted EPS formula? The diluted EPS formula is equal to net income less preferred dividends divided by the total number of diluted shares outstanding, basic shares outstanding plus the exercise of in the money options, warrants and other dilutive securities. So EPS formula is diluted EPS is equal to net income minus preferred dividends. Preferred dividend at least showed up. Net income divided by weighted average number of shares outstanding plus conversion of any in the money options, warrants and other dilutive securities. Example भी दिया है जी. देख लिया.
यस सर, देख रहा हूँ, वही देख रहा हूँ सर. सर बट इसमें
इतने नहीं सर, आपका जरूरत नहीं. Don't worry, they will not ask this much stuff and all because
यस सर.
even the person who is asking the questions, उन लोग को भी पता नहीं होगा. Broadly outline only they will ask. And you have already told GIC is ranked 13th globally. And I also told you which company stands first in the world. What is that?
No sir, you didn't tell us.
Oh,
Tell me.
I think I told some other guy.
Someone else.
Yeah. It is a Munich RE.
Okay, yes, I read about it. Sir,
Munich.
and the thing is, uh, It is 13th 13th best global, 13th among the top 50 global insurance groups by AM Best.
That is
And
one rating company.
yes, sir. And by S&P, it is 11th.
Pardon? By?
By Standards and Poor's, it is at 11th rank.
Oh, acha. Good.
Yes.
So now, have you seen what is AM Best?
No, sir. I have to,
So they can.
because on this site it is by AM Best. It is written by
True.
AM Best.
AM Best Company. AM Best Company provides news. 1 minute. AM Best Company. Now I know what is the purpose of AM Best. Our purpose is to strengthen the overall financial condition and operating performance of the insurance industry in
Insurance
support
industry.
of economic growth and the well-being of all stakeholders through our, it is being recorded, good, through
Yes, sir.
our work in credit ratings and information services. What is the purpose of AM Best? Is to strengthen the overall financial condition, operating performance of insurance industry.
Industry. And so
How-
where is it headquartered?
Yeah, that's what the headquarters is in 1 minute. It is Talaimagam. It is in, note kar lijiye,
Yes, sir.
Old Vic, OLD
OLD
WICK.
WICK.
It is in New
Okay.
Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay.
The person, important person is Alfred M. Best.
Okay.
That means the person who started it, Alfred
the
M.
founder.
Best. That was way back in, God bless me, 1899.
1999. Okay.
1899.
99.
हम आपको एक लिंक दे रहा हूँ हमारा टेलीग्राम में अबाउट AM Best. इतना डिटेल्स पूरा नहीं चाहिए बट फिर भी पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, sir. For the
Good.
brief introduction.
No. The idea of your reading is, after
Okay.
reading it once, you will make a notes in 10 lines. That's all.
Okay.
Thereafter, there is no need for you to go into that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now we will come to basic things. Tell me, what are the various types of insurance facilities that are offered in Indian insurance companies?
So, vehicle insurance, motor insurance,
Mm,
fire insurance,
Mm.
flight insurance,
mm,
marine insurance,
mm,
life insurance,
Mm.
health insurance,
mm.
and what else? Travel insurance,
Mm. Good.
travel insurance, cargo insurance.
Mm.
So I can think of
Yeah,
these.
I am here when I see what are the different types of insurance policies in India. I am just giving you the link for that. Everything link.
Yes, sir.
हाँ दे दिया. इधर में health insurance, car insurance, bike, commercial travel, more products. उसका पहले भी होगा एक. That seems to be
Yes,
more
sir.
good. Just
Yes.
listen. Life insurance,
Yes, sir.
motor, health, travel, property, mobile, cycle. What is cycle insurance? Then
I don't know.
bite size insurance. अरे भाई, ये तो very tough terms. Bite size. What are the 7 main types of insurance? Health, life, disability, long-term care insurance, home owners and renters insurance, liability insurance, automobile insurance, protect yourself. Probably most of this may not be relevant for India. India में तो
Yes, sir.
आपको इतना health चलता है, life insurance चलता है, then general insurance, that is vehicle, fire, etc. जैसे आपने बोला
Yes,
Whatever you told is correct.
Sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, that is most correct. Now, can you tell me how many companies, insurance companies are there in India?
Insurance companies, sir,
Hmm.
there are many, sir. I can't list them.
We can't say, I don't know. We have to know when we go for the interview. How many insurance companies are there in India in 2020? In India, there are, note it, 24 life insurance companies
24 life
operating,
insurance companies.
which have been approved and recognized by IRDAI, which is a regulatory body for insurance and reinsurance industry. 1 minute.
Yes.
Hello. Cut हो गया. Hello. It is given 24 life insurance company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. ये सब तो आपको non-life insurers, non-life insurers, non-life insurers, IRDAI. अरे
Yes,
भाई
sir.
कुछ नहीं, there is no problem. I am giving you the link. If you go into that IRDAI site, that will give you all the details. Number of general insurance companies, दिया है 33.
33. Okay, sir.
33 दिया है. Of that,
Yes, sir.
famous is 4 general insurance, 4 public sector, National Insurance, United India, then New India, National, and
Then-
another one, what?
And Oriental.
Oriental. Sorry, I forgot.
Oriental.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
likewise, private companies, इतना, अरे भाई इसका अंदर में ECGC को भी डाल दिया.
Sir, वो ECGC is a insurance company or not?
Yeah, it is an insurance company. They give policy coverage and all that. It is an insurance company.
Okay, sir.
It comes under general insurance. Just a minute.
Okay.
Some bell is there. Hello. So you could see that link.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Could you see that link?
Yes, sir.
IRDAI.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ankush.
Yes, sir. Hello.
आवाज नहीं आता है. No sound. No sound.
Hello.
1 minute. Oh, I have pressed it wrongly. Now speak. Speak.
Hello.
Ah, now it is okay.
Yes.
Now it is okay. Acha. Where are we now? So we are now in IRDA.
Yes, sir. IRDAI.
इसका अंदर में जाके आपको हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंश्योरेंस थोड़ा पढ़ना है.
Okay, sir. History of insurance. Okay, sir.
ये तो पूरा पढ़ने का बोर लगेगा, फिर भी पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Definitely. Yes, sir. Obviously.
लास्ट पैराग्राफ देखिए. लास्ट पैराग्राफ पढ़ लीजिए. The insurance sector is a colossal one.
1 minute, sir.
अच्छा. I am giving the link.
Can I start saying, sir?
Yeah, please read.
The insurance sector is a colossal one and is growing at a speedy rate of 15 to 20%. Together with banking services, insurance services add about 7% to the country's GDP.
A point मन में रख लीजिए. Somewhere you
बिल्कुल,
leave it.
बिल्कुल. Yes, sir. A well-developed and evolved insurance sector is a boon for strengthening the risk-taking ability of the country
For economic development. Yeah.
for the economic development. So
Hmm.
these are very important points, sir.
Hmm. इसको नोट करके मन में रख लो जी.
Yes,
And
sir.
ऊपर में देखो previous paragraph. Read. Today there are
See, today there are
previous paragraph.
okay.
इसका insurance
Today
sector.
there are
Hmm.
today there are 34 general insurance companies, including the ECGC and Agriculture Insurance Corporation.
Oh, that is also another thing. Agricultural Insurance Corporation. That
Yes,
is
sir.
also important. Fasal Bima Yojana.
Yes, sir. Fasal Bima Yojana.
Hmm.
And 24 life insurance companies operating in the country.
Yeah. 1 minute. Array, no, who is calling? Hello. Good evening. Yeah. వినోద్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి నేను ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఉండాము. హలో, నేను మీ నంబర్ నోట్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఐ విల్ కాల్ యూ బై 5:10 or so. Or 5:10 ka after 5:10 you can call me also. No issue. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Some Telugu man is talking. Yeah. So these are the points, important points. Note
Yes,
kar
sir.
lijiye. Ankush.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अंकुश here left side में आओ, history of insurance देख लिया. Insurance
Yes.
insurer names not required. Products offered जानना जरूरी है. I asked
sir.
one question, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
उसमें general insurance, sorry, life insurance, then general insurance, health insurance.
Yes.
Last अभी देखिए, present position मालूम होने से हो जाएगा. Not now, you read it. Then standard products, insurance laws, etc.
Yes, sir.
ये पता नहीं acts, which acts are important, like
Yes.
यहाँ पर दिया
No,
है.
but insurance laws, तो sir, जो the insurance stream, the candidates have applied from insurance stream, sir उनके लिए होगा ना सर, जनरल स्ट्रीम के लिए तो इतना इंश्योरेंस
जरूरत
लॉस का तो
नहीं
नहीं
बोलते
पूछेंगे.
हैं, ठीक है, छोड़ दीजिए. No problem, no problem.
Sir, but
Yeah.
competition, yes, sir. So this is a
Yeah.
very
Now
useful
tell me,
site.
what is micro insurance?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
हाँ, ये तो बोलने नहीं सकते.
हाँ.
What is
हाँ,
micro
हाँ.
insurance? ये
Yes.
मालूम होना है. Micro insurance. Shall we search in Google? Google.com. First, पहला बार हम सुन रहे हैं. There is an insurance known as micro insurance. Micro insurance का meaning is an insurance with low premium and low caps. For example, Pradhan Mantri SSBY, 12 rupees only, covering 2 lakhs insurance.
Okay.
330 rupees only, covering 2 lakhs. Pradhan Mantri PM SSBY, PM JJBY. नोट कर लीजिए, इसका बारे में पढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
If they ask micro insurance क्या है, you can tell this.
Yes,
And
sir.
micro insurance, Wikipedia says like this. I am giving you the link in Telegram. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Good. So that's what it is. So I sum up it. The more we read, the more confusion we will have. But you have to read.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to GIC.
Yes, sir.
GIC, how many employees are there roughly in this? You have any idea?
Sir, 700.
Only 700. अरे
Yes,
भाई,
sir.
इस बार कितना recruitment है?
Sir, total 44 across 4 departments. Total 44.
I don't know how they are able to manage with so less manpower. Maybe much of the work they will give for BPO. बाहर का दे देगा मेरा. Some
Exactly. Sir,
nature of work
the
they may give to other, say,
agencies.
franchises.
Exactly. Sir, the client, all the client work is done by the agencies.
Oh,
They hire agencies for the client work, and
see,
the main work is done by the GIC.
see, I know that. See, the vision of GIC is to be a leading global reinsurance
insurance
and risk
and
solution
solution
provider.
provider. Yes,
Good.
sir.
That's what that day I told you. Now
Yes, sir.
coming
Yes,
to
sir.
most common interview questions.
Yes,
What
sir.
can you offer us that someone else cannot?
Can I offer them that someone?
What can you offer us that someone else cannot?
Sir,
यहाँ पर why are you
strengths
so
बतानी है.
no
Strengths.
you have to get some ideas and speak up. Here you have to speak good about yourselves. You have to
Okay.
speak good about yourselves, and
Sir,
you have to tell that I can do this, I can do that, and
Sir, so basically I have to tell about my.
I possess leadership style. I possess problem solving
Okay.
skills.
Okay, okay,
I
okay,
can
okay,
take up big problems
Big
into
chat.
my. ये थोड़ा
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा
Strengths
read करके
बतानी है.
देना. Can you try it?
Yes, 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 sir. Sir, I'm a very patient man, and I'm a man of determination, and I have a great problem solving skills, and in my data sheet I have already told about the work I have done in NGO. So there we have to deal. We used to have weekend events, so we used to deal with many problems there, and so we as a team used to solve it. And I'm a selfless person basically, as I used to do social work and all. So
Regarding
that,
that NGO,
yes, sir.
do they have branches in other places also?
No, no, it has just started in 2018, so it has not that much outreach.
Okay. If they have only one office,
Yes, sir.
how many people are working there roughly?
So around 50.
Acha.
50.
Who are the important people behind that?
So the founders,
Name?
Yashasvi Ghosh and Rhythm Sethi.
Oh, from where do they get funds?
So they provide their own fundings, their fathers.
Mhm. Most of them may be getting funds from abroad. The reason why people start NGO, barring 5%, all others are for making money. They try to use the NGO route to bring money and to enjoy those things. अरे मेरा नाम पर परचेस करने से तो प्रॉब्लम है, हम तो एनजीओ का नाम पर परचेस करेगा, उसको एंजॉय करेगा. I may be very crude in telling this, but that is a fact of life.
Yes, sir.
That is a fact of life. Why do people create trusts? Why do people create NGOs? Majority are okay. Probably looking at the big personalities like Bill Gates and all, we cannot suspect them from, but of course, even there, they may do certain activities to reduce the tax burden, something like that. Anyhow, let us
Turning
not go
while.
into that issue.
Yes,
That's
sir.
not needed for us now. Good.
Yes.
So you have to tell something good about you
Yes.
to say that you are suitable for the post.
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to travel on behalf of company post COVID-19 also?
Yes, sir. I would be. I would be
Very good.
traveling, sir.
Excellent.
Yes,
What is your father?
so my father is a teacher in Delhi government school.
How I am forgetting, Baba? I am forgetting. The moment you told teacher, I can recollect. Good.
Yes,
What
sir.
is your dream job?
So my dream job is to be a financial risk manager or a financial analyst
Mm.
in a good financial services company, which is this, which is GIC. It is. It
But
is
I would like
that
you to
stature.
I would like you to tell a description which is resembling that of an officer post in GIC RE.
Okay.
समझ गए
Okay.
आपको?
Yes, sir. And sir, if they ask me where do you see yourself in 10 years, then what should be my answer?
Maybe in 5 years, I would have got one promotion. In 10 years, maybe I would have got 2 promotions. I would have studied examinations relevant for insurance. Please check up from the night site. What are the examinations they are conducting for insurance people?
Okay. Okay, sir.
वो सब पढ़ लीजिए. There is one book known as, that may not be very relevant for you, LIC 38, which tells about, which is the book that people who want to become agents should study.
Oh,
That is
okay.
not needed for you, but still generally.
Then LIC
Who are the
38.
competitors of GICRE?
So there are no domestic competitors of GICRE as such, as of now, but there are international competitors.
Yeah,
As
and another point is, while reading Domestica, I came across a sentence that some 5% has to be given by some companies. What is that about? I'm not clear about it. उसको बारे में पढ़ लीजिए.
okay, sir.
Should you follow what I think I studied with you also. Did you read that or not? GICRE Domestica.
Sir, no, you didn't.
You have not seen it. Oh,
No, sir. I don't remember it, sir.
1 minute. There is a no about the business. So when we come to the balance portion, I will tell you. I can easily reach it.
Yes.
GIC Mari, correct. It's coming. GIC, not this one. Mhm. Hmm. See, when where we were studying about domestic, so many things, on the right side or so, I will put it GICRE.
So I think the 5% of the policies insured by the companies
Hmm.
which should be reinsured with the
Hmm.
GICD.
Hmm. What is that? I don't know. अच्छा, another thing, GICRE का share price होता है?
Yes, sir. So it is currently 182.
अच्छा, good. It seems it was
Around.
founded in 1972.
Yes, sir.
Which is the parent organization?
Parent organization,
Ministry of Finance.
Ministry of Finance. Okay.
Ministry of Finance. What is the stock
Mm.
price of GICRE?
That
Then
was 180.
what is the stock price of, okay, what kind of insurance that GICRE offer? It is providing reinsurance across many key business lines, including fire, property, marine, motor, engineering, agriculture, aviation, space. Arey Baba, we have forgotten about aviation, space research and all. Health, liability credit, financial and life insurance. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So I like that you can also study that one. So good.
Yes, sir.
So this is one way of reading all that. Now regarding general questions,
Yes, sir.
who is your role model?
So my role model is
ऊपर में दिया है?
I don't have. So I don't have any role model as such.
ऐसा नहीं बोलना है.
Uh,
बिल्कुल आपका मन में किसी आदमी को आप एडमायर कर रहा होगा. It may be your daddy or mummy or uncle or cousin, because who is close to you, or the nearby
Okay.
shopkeeper,
Okay.
जिसको, or your own professor,
Okay.
something like that. So you
Okay.
studied BCom.
Yes, sir. Become
The year what?
2019 I passed out.
Yeah. Are you studying MCom now?
No, sir.
Because I came across some cases where candidates are still studying, not
Okay.
GIC, maybe in IDBA. Okay, good. Why did you not study for MCom? You really
I
wanted to
started
go for a job?
Yes, sir. I started preparing for banking exams and side by side, I started working in an NGO.
What are
So,
the exams you cleared for bank exams for interview? Is the first
sir,
one
IBP, no, sir, IBPS POI cleared, SBI POI cleared,
really?
and then
You
yes,
cleared
sir,
up to
both.
interview.
Yes, sir.
Oh
And
God,
then
क्या हो गया? SBI PO में कितना मार्क आया?
सर SBI PO में मेरे जो कट ऑफ दिस ईयर वाज 88. I scored 102 in mains, and I scored 13 interview. So I
तेरा only
got
13.
plugged in interview.
Only 13.
No, 30 out of 50.
Oh, only 30 out of 50. There is 60%
Yes,
marks only. Very less.
yes, sir. Yes. So that's why I got plugged in SBI.
Oh, oh.
So
Why?
that's why I'm
Probably
doing
were you
interview.
not that very confident?
Yes, sir. I was way too underprepared for the interview, so that's why I'm preparing this time for the interview of
Seriously.
GIC.
No,
Yes.
no. But why don't you stand up? Stand up.
Stand up.
Oh, good, 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 good. Sit down. No, no. I just wanted to see how are you looking. What is the personality that will be exhibited? Very good. You look nicely. No problem. Go with confidence. Go
Yes, sir.
with cheerfulness. Be happy. Yeah, I think you are the only child, huh? Or you have one more brother or sister. Hello? Do you have a brother or sister?
Okay, sir.
Yes?
No, no, sir. I have brother and sister both.
Both are.
Yes,
Acha,
sir.
I am under the
Yes.
impression you are the only child.
No, no, no.
You have elder brother or younger brother?
I'm the eldest of all. I'm the youngest of all,
Youngest.
and
Oh.
youngest of all. And my eldest sister works in Bank of Baroda as a PO since what 5 years now,
Very good.
and my brother is in Indian Navy. So
Indian
left
Navy.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Navy.
very good, very good, very good. Nice. If you tell like that, they will ask question. What is the position he is occupying in Indian Navy? वो कब
Yes,
ज्वाइन
sir.
किया है? वो किधर किधर
Yes.
जाता है? क्यों नहीं जाता है? क्यों नहीं आता है? एंड ये
Okay.
कनाडा बैंक लड़की के लिए पूछेगा वो किधर काम करता है, उनको स्केल 2 मिल गया, वो मैनेजर बन गया, ये सब पूछेगा.
Yes, sir.
Is she a clerk or officer?
Sir, she is an officer.
Oh God, good. So that's really good. But थोड़ा confidence चाहिए आपको.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you are
Yes, sir.
so good a boy. This world people will just push you down. And for all
Thank you,
that,
sir.
you are living in Delhi.
Yes, I am living in Delhi.
अरे भाई दिल्ली में कैसे लिव करते हैं? इतना अच्छा आदमी होने से तो दिल्ली में नहीं चलेगा. People will walk on you and go away. थोड़ा I know you are giving me respect. I can see that. But फिर भी थोड़ा confidence बढ़ाओ.
Okay, sir.
You are not ordinary person. You have all the potentiality.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Go
Thank you
with
so
that
much.
confidence. But some questions you were not able to answer. That is
Yes, sir.
not at all an issue. Whatever you
Okay.
know, are you able to talk effectively? Simple
Okay, sir.
questions like what is insurance, why insurance, types of insurance, reinsurance, about
Okay.
family, about native place, about role model, about college, about
Okay, sir.
what is your ambition. But
Okay, sir.
if you answer all that nicely, you are selected.
Yes, sir.
समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Good, very good. Next is which date you want interview. Which date is your interview?
sir. Thursday,
3rd November.
28th.
Huh?
Thursday, 28th. 28th
28th
of
में आ गया.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा आज तो 26 है.
Yes, sir.
ओ बाबा हो गया. Only one day in between.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
Delhi
sir.
only. Delhi only.
No, no, sir. Mumbai.
मुंबई जाएगा, फ्लाइट में जाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
good. Take care. Cover
Yes, sir.
yourself properly against
Yes.
कोविड के अच्छा कोविड टेस्ट ले लिया?
नहीं सर, अभी लूंगा मैं।
यू हैव टू टेक इट ना।
यस सर, RT-PCR हैव टू टेक इट।
कब कब लेना है? इतना जल्दी रिजल्ट आएगा?
सर वो मेरे यहाँ 7-8 घंटे में आ जाता है।
अच्छा,
यस सर।
how much do they charge?
सर
No idea.
700 I guess।
Uh,
700।
doesn't matter. Sir, you have pet dogs in your house?
No, no sir, in the neighbor's house. It keeps on barking every time.
It's okay,
So
no problem, no problem. Let that also live after all. All of us are temporary. Dog also temporary. We are also temporary. Let us
yes
enjoy.
sir,
Acha,
yes sir.
tomorrow at what time will you talk to me or
So 4 around 4 p.m. around this time only.
tomorrow?
Yes sir.
Will you not be flying?
Sir, I'll fly late in night.
Midday only.
I'll fly. I'll late in night around what 10 p.m. My flight is at around 10 p.m.
After reaching there, where will you stay? Do you know the place?
In
And
the
all?
hotel.
Huh?
In hotel. Sir,
You
my
know them?
brother is post. Yes sir,
Huh?
my brother is posted in Mumbai,
Oh,
so it will be fine with me.
acha, there is no problem. Okay, that is fine. Then shall I take 4 o'clock as your time?
Yes sir, 4 p.m. tomorrow.
1 minute. Ankush Sharma, 4 o'clock. I am just writing names and all. Different place many times.
No issues, sir.
Yeah, anyhow, best wishes. Today I have confused you more. Tomorrow also I will confuse you. I will
Okay,
give you
sir.
more ideas. I wish
Yes,
you
sir.
should get selected. You are doing well.
Thank you.
No
Okay,
problem.
sir. Thank you.
I am not rating you. It must be above 8 out of 10. It must
Oh,
be
thank
above
you, sir.
8 out of 10. But देखते हैं कल क्या आएगा. कल ने क्या
Okay, sir.
होगा आपने हमको बताएगा. What all you read, what all you
Okay.
remember. You will
Okay.
talk to me for 20 minutes.
Great.
15
Great, sir.
to 20 minutes. Sir,
Great.
अच्छा ए पॉइंट हमने भूल गया. करंट अफेयर्स. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई नेवर आस्क्ड. उसको पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, yes.
Current affairs
Yes.
relating to economy, relating to
Okay.
banking, relating to insurance, and
Okay,
some
sir.
general things happening.
Okay,
Like
sir.
if you are going to Mumbai, they can even ask you about that Shah Rukh Khan's son problem. But
Okay.
utna to पूछेगा नहीं. Even then.
Okay.
Okay. Are you
Yes,
in
sir.
touch with current affairs?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am. I am.
Tell me 2 items.
2 items of current affairs. Sir, uh, Ayushman Infrastructure Yojana. Modi just
Hmm.
वो
Gati Shakti
needs to
something.
yes, yes.
Some Gati Shakti scheme, another thing.
Gati Shakti plan is another thing.
Today something else
Ayushman.
is. Yeah.
Yes, Ayushman Bhai.
उसको पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But you are not remembering it properly. थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
clearly
I
बताओ.
just remember the Ayushman.
इतना समय
Okay.
नहीं लेना है ना.
Okay, okay, okay.
Prepare. No problem. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start with current affairs.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye, bye, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.